Greetings, everyone. I'm straight out of Coney Island, Brooklyn today. I want to thank you so much for staying tuned to the Side Hustle Inspiration YouTube channel. I decided to come back for a quick minute and do something really quick. So thank you again. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and keep checking back for more content. In case you want to see what I got on today, take a quick look for a New York minute. Got the low on. Got the equestrian horse. This is vintage low. Anybody who's from New York, you know what kind of vintage low that is. That's from the late 80s. I'm out here doing it. Yes, sir. No matter what you go through in life, learn to see the good in all negative situations or situations that may challenge who you are. Don't always look at the negative. Focus on the positive, the future, what's ahead. In every challenging situation in life, there is an opportunity to grow, not just in making money, but also in here and in here. And with that said, when you learn to see the good in challenging situations in the uncertain game called life, that's when you're able to build your side hustle beyond your wildest imagination and generate more than healthy streams of passive income. All right, thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and